Okay, sounds like you had a standard tune guitar, so I'm going to match that this week. All right, pull-offs are going all right, and so we're just going to be just basically non-stop pull-offs here. And with the chord stuff, we need to address some flat fingering because, especially on, I think it was number 2, you consistently had, especially at the fast speeds, consistently had an extra note being played because of barring. So we got to address that. All right, so here we go with number 1. And still go up in 5s in the full practice video. No matter how well it goes, you're better off going up in 5s. So 5s, 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 no matter how well it went, unless you actually are hitting 240. And then you could do something a little bit different. But if you're not hitting 240, go up in 5s. No matter how well it went, go up in 5s because you'll get more benefit from it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, yeah, number 2 from last time, when you were playing that, a lot of times you were getting that B string ring out. And hearing this. Instead of. So, we're going to start holding chords a bit different to get you playing with more accuracy. So when the strumming was fine. That part was good. Hold up. All right, so we're going to stick with these big power chords here. And you're going to use your pinky. So no more double bar. So you do have to bar with your index finger for the bottom 2 strings. But once you're using your pinky along with this, so 3 fingers for these chords. No more double barring. This will also help with like the lead playing, hammer-ons, pull-offs, all that stuff, because getting your fingers, more of your fingers involved. But yeah, here we go with number 2. So this one we have a gallop to reverse gallop, back to back, all within the same bar. All right. Whoops. Here we go. 1. Let me count it off with the rhythm. 1 and a 2E and 3 and a 4E and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and a 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and 2, and 3, and 1, and a 2, and 3, and a 4, and 1, and a 2, and 3, and a 4, and 1, and a 2, and 3, and a 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Number 3, definitely doing something different. We're going to go clean. Clean sound. Okay. So, to further help with getting your fingers more involved, not doing the barring, and creating accidental bars because the finger is too flat. Got these different chords we're going to go through. So we got your A5 to start, and then when you go to the D5 over A, you're going to take your ring finger off, A5, back to this. Now for the A suspended second, you got 2 things you can do. For me, this works really well keeping my ring finger down. So if that works well for you, definitely do that. A lot of people, they need to use their middle finger for those kind of stretches. If you can maintain your ring finger being down for the stretch and it doesn't bother your wrist at all, stick with that because it's just easier to transition from one chord to the next. But if you need to use your middle finger, go ahead and do that. But if you can use your ring finger, stick with that for that chord. It's just easier for the transition. Okay, so power chord, inverted power chord, you just take your ring finger off, back to the power chord, suspended second, and then we're going to move that shape up for the C suspended second. Pinky comes back for the power chord. So if you do have to use your middle finger, you just have to do more of a transition. That's all. Then F5 over C, the inverted power chord, ring finger comes off. And then back down for the C5. And here we go. Now, picking direction, doesn't matter. Just pick however, whatever feels natural for this. I will be doing a little bit of kind of sweeping. So just when I typically go like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So whatever feels right to you is totally fine for this. We just want to make sure every note rings out nice and clear. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's still way too quiet. Hold on. Where is it? Hold on. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's terrible. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. And 180's plenty fast for this sort of thing. So you're welcome to send things in early for this one if you do reach 180. But yeah, there we go. Okay, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.